Ready to ditch that old Instagram username and snag something fresh? Let's dive in. First things first, unlock your phone and tap the Instagram app icon to get started. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to change. Once you're in, look down at the bottom right corner and tap on your profile picture. This will take you to your personal profile page. Alright, now look for the Edit Profile button, typically located near the top of your screen, just below your bio, and tap on it. Great! You'll now see a list of editable information. Spot the username field. It's probably right under your name. Tap on it. Okay, the current username will be highlighted. Clear that out and type in your desired new username. Remember, it needs to be unique and available, so Instagram will check it for you in real time. Keep an eye out for any error messages. If the username isn't available, you'll get a notification. Try adding numbers, underscores, or different variations until you find one with that beautiful green checkmark. Once you've found an available username, tap the checkmark icon, often in the top right corner of the screen, to save your changes. This will update your username across Instagram. It's important to note that changing your username can impact your account verification status. And be sure your new username aligns with your brand or personal identity, and that's it. You're done. Now go rock that new Instagram identity. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Instagram tips and tricks.